through fishing in Texas where it's really slow.
You just gotta flip it. You know what I mean? Get the arc, get the distance.
You're
right.
next to you.
That was a perfect cast. Oh man. Oh, I'm so bad. No.
Did you like bounce it off?
Yeah.
I was like, this board just like curve a cast?
No place to do it. Yeah, I'm just gonna punch through it.
I hope I'll flip it down.
It's okay. You're a horrible angler, so it doesn't matter. What's going on, guys? Alright, we got an hour and 15 minutes to fish today. We're here at Laguna Creek. We're going to be throwing the wacky rig, see what we can catch. Alright, it's a little overcast this morning. Water clarity is probably about 2 feet. Snap a little bit of spike it, garlic dip. Get this bad boy to glow. Tad bit on each side. Yeah, that'll entice him. Oh, sorry, dude. I'm gonna scare you. Where are you going? May not be scaring away my fish. Oh man, just missed the bike, so I wasn't paying attention. Oh, I got you. Yeah. Woo! There we go. Not too bad. Hey, first one of the day. We will take it. Oh man. We choked that one. Yeah. Little guy. I'll get you off of here, man. Get you back in the water. Yeah. No skunk today. No skunk today. Thank you, sir. Easy peasy. Yep, got a little guy. First one in the morning. We will take it. And snap that one to my brother. And you have a good day, my friend. Woo, yeah. Oh man. All right. I think he was on there that whole time. Somebody walking behind me, so I turned around and I felt the tug. But Cinco for the win. Oh, and there's another bite. Do we have it? I think he's got it. Yep, he's got it. Ah! Whoa, back to back, baby. Woo, 2 for 2. Probably another little guy. A little bit bigger. But we will take it. Get over here. Yeah. Oh, that one's way nicer. Yep, you're barely hooked. Sweet, dude. Heck yeah. Little tiny freaking creeks is producing. Thank you, sir. You're a good looking fish. Let me get a little snapshot in. Thank you, sir. You have served your purpose well. Go free. See if I can't get my second fish on a jig. And that was a big turd you just dropped, dude. Well, guys, that worked out. At an hour and a half, I got those 2 bass. Both of them probably hovering around a pound, so it wasn't. I'm not complaining. I caught 2 fish. I didn't get skunked. I was just throwing a wacky rig, just finesse fishing it, just slow and steady. And I got the 2. I switched to a jig. I got 1 bite. No luck. But well, anyway, I'm out. Gotta go to work. Thanks for watching. Bye.